Gardening is a joy. It connects us to nature and well, it also gives us fresh food. One easy way to garden is direct sowing. This means planting seeds right into the ground. You skip the indoor seedling stage. Imagine plump tomatoes and vibrant peppers, all from seeds sown directly into your garden. Direct sowing is easy. It's perfect for beginners, and seasoned gardeners love it too. It's less work than starting seeds indoors. Direct sowing lets plants grow strong roots. The roots grow deep into the soil, making the plants strong and healthy. Strong plants give you more produce. Direct sowing is rewarding. Imagine walking into your backyard and seeing rows of tomatoes and peppers. You grew them from tiny seeds. That is the true magic of direct sowing. Direct sowing is simple and straightforward. It's less work than starting seeds indoors, which can be quite labor-intensive. You don't need special lights or heating pads, and you don't need to transplant seedlings. This saves you both time and effort. Less work means more time to enjoy your garden, relax, and appreciate the beauty around you. Direct-sown plants experience less stress and adapt better to their environment. Transplanting can shock seedlings and disrupt their growth. Direct sowing avoids this entirely. Plants grow strong and healthy right from the start, establishing themselves quickly. Direct sowing promotes strong root development, which is crucial for plant health. The roots grow deep into the ground, making them better at finding water and nutrients, ensuring robust growth. Strong roots lead to stronger plants, and stronger plants produce more tomatoes and peppers, yielding a bountiful harvest. Direct sowing is better for the environment too, as it reduces the need for plastic and other resources. You use less plastic pots and trays, and you use less water and energy, making your gardening practices more sustainable. It's a sustainable way to garden, benefiting both you and the planet. Plus, you get delicious homegrown food that you can be proud of. Direct sowing is easy and can be very rewarding. First, wait for warm weather, as seeds need the right conditions to thrive. Tomatoes and peppers love the sun and need warm soil to grow. They thrive best in full sunlight. Plant your seeds after the last frost. Next, prepare your soil by ensuring it's well drained and fertile. Loosen the soil with a garden fork and remove any rocks or weeds. This helps roots to grow freely. Add compost to the soil to enrich it with nutrients. Compost is like food for your plants, providing essential nutrients for growth. Now, it's time to plant. Make sure to follow the seed packet instructions. Make shallow rows in the soil, which will help with even planting. Plant your tomato seeds about 1/4 inch deep, ensuring they are covered lightly with soil. Pepper seeds can go a little deeper, about 1/2 inch, to ensure proper germination. Space the seeds a few inches apart to give them room to grow. Water your seeds gently but thoroughly. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Consistent moisture is key for seed germination. You should see sprouts within a week or two, depending on the temperature and soil conditions. Thin the seedlings when they have a few true leaves, which helps the remaining plants grow stronger. This means leaving the strongest seedlings to grow and pinching off the weaker ones to ensure healthy growth. Once your seedlings emerge, water them regularly. It's crucial to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the early stages of growth. Tomatoes and peppers need consistent moisture to thrive and produce healthy fruits. Water deeply a few times a week, ensuring the water reaches the roots. And avoid getting the leaves wet, as wet leaves can promote fungal diseases. This can lead to disease, which can severely affect your plant's health. Tomatoes and peppers need support. As they grow taller, they become more vulnerable to wind and heavy fruit. Stake them or use cages to keep them upright and stable. This prevents the stems from breaking under the weight of the fruit, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Protect your plants from pests by regularly inspecting them. Check your plants regularly for any signs of insects or disease and act promptly. You can use natural methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil to keep pests away. Finally, harvest your bounty. Tomatoes are ripe when they're red and firm, ready to be picked. Peppers are ready when they're firm and colorful, indicating they are at their peak flavor. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown produce. Direct sowing is rewarding and delicious, giving you a direct connection to your food. You'll have fresh, homegrown tomatoes and peppers all season long, providing a continuous supply of nutritious and tasty produce.